Hi, this is Miss T. Welcome to my channel, Blessed by the Best. Today I'm going to do a My Tray display collaboration started by Zane from AtHomeWithZane. As you see, this is my coffee table, and because it's a round shape, I've been looking for a round tray. I couldn't find a round tray, so I got a little creative and just used the placemat. But it's just not working. So because of this tray display collaboration, I decided to do a DIY tray. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So this is my DIY tray. It was green at the bottom and brown on the inside. So what I decided to do was use some silver sparkle contact paper, and I covered the inside and the ends of it with the contact paper. And then I used diamond wrap for the outside and for the handles. And at the bottom I put a gem at each corner to use as feet. So stay tuned as I show you how I decorate my tray and my tray display collaboration. Well, here it is, my tray display. Who would have thought it, Zane? A rectangle tray on a circle table. I've been looking for a circle tray for a long time, but this is it. So on my tray display, I have a vase. It was a DIY vase. Some flowers from the Dollar Tree. I have some coasters. They were just plain glass coasters, and I DIY'd them with different decorations. I have a tea light candle that says home, and I have 2 candles that are flameless candles that I use as bookends with 2 books. So there you have it, my tray display with a vase and a candle. Hope you like it. This is Miss T. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.